I think Sustainability Club is important because it helps us learn more about how to be sustainable in our careers going into the future.
Being a part of the Sustainability Club and being able to cooperate with like-minded students and work towards sustainable goals has really made my time here very special.
I think something like Sustainability Club is really valuable to students because it gives us a real opportunity to directly interact with our campus in a very hands-on and productive way. Through stuff like this, we can not only learn about our campus and the things going on with it, but really implement things that we genuinely want to see on our campus.